Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to switch your HDMI inputs on the LG ThinQ AI based TV or these newer TVs. So here you go. Usually if you check on, unless I'm missing something, there's no clear way to access switching between ports. So for example, if I want to switch to HDMI or TV, it's not readily here unless I've done it before where it will appear here. So just in case you want to find the cool way, the recent input will appear here, so you can always look right here where it says recent input. As you can see, it's showing me HDMI 1 as the recent input, but of course if you want to find every input, I'll show you to navigate to it on LG's OS. So go over here all the way over, and you gotta look for this one that says home dashboard. So you're gonna go ahead and select. I'm gonna unlock this. Alright, so once you unlock, you're on this, which is called a dashboard, and here you can find all of your inputs. So everything is conveniently placed here. As you can see, you have your antenna, which is your TV, HDMI 1, 2, and 3, TV speakers, remote, and of course AirPlay. You can connect mobile devices, and of course all of these are related to the Internet of Things. You can mess with lightings and all kind of things here. So this is like the smart home for the home dashboard for the ThinQ. Alright, so hope this was helpful. In case you can't find your general center for controlling your inputs, you can also see profile related things and settings up there. Alright, so I'll end the tutorial here. Hope this was helpful. As always, Ricardo from Block Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.